Hey YouTubers, how are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. I'm going to use Windows 10 as a platform. If you are other users, I will give link in the description below. Do check that out. And we'll download python.org. I'll give the link in the description as well. Do download this whatever platform you are in and install that. After installing this, I would recommend an IDE for projects that you are about to build in future. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. I would recommend same to you guys as well for the beginners. There is a community version. It is free for all. You can download and install in your system. I hope you can see my Visual Studio Code over here after installing. I created project Python for now, like class 1, class 2 and so on. For any project that you are about to build, you need to have a virtual environment. You don't have to disturb the original Python. You just have to use the virtual environment for the every single project that you are going to build. I'll show you how to do that. You just have to do pip install virtual env. That's it guys, you just have to use this command and then click on enter. I already installed it, so I don't have to install it. If you're stuck in some places, do let me know in the comments below. After doing that, you need to create a virtual env. So there are so many ways to do that, but I will show you the standard way. -p python version, which python version, python 2 or python 3 env. After clicking on enter, this will generate a virtual env in your folder. Yeah, now it is finished. Yeah, as you can see over here, env for activation you need to go to that whatever that you have created name, and then scripts activate. If you click on enter, you are in this environment. As if you see this, then you are inside the virtual env. So if you have any questions, do let me know, and like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Zombie apocalypse.